Hello guys, what's going on? It's your boy Smart Daniel of the Pit Cartel, and I'm back with an update. Uh, quick one here. This is an update on Bitcoin, right? And from the last update I dropped, uh, we called this trade at 4041K. We saw it rally, right, to the trade up to 60K. That was our TP, and yep. So you can check previous video to see that. All right. So what next? What next for Bitcoin? All right. So that's what we're about. So um, I implore you to watch this video to the end to get all the full details you need. All right. So let's go. So we actually took another trade right here. In between, I didn't update this on YouTube, but then I called this trade and we took this trade. And I think I have screenshots of that, right? You can see from 58K, yeah, we called this uh, price rally, yeah, from 58K, and our TP was at 68, yeah, $68,000. And this was an update later on. This initially was taken October 27th, and the update is taken from October 29th, right? So let's see how this did nice run for the money, liquidity sweep, right? And start trading to 68. So, as well, I also tweeted this on the Cartel page on Twitter. Uh, we're about to create a new all-time high at 68K target one and 72,800 as target two. Unfortunately, we didn't get to target two, and the way price moves is always funny in a way because when everybody is shouting, oh, 70K, 70K, it's very, very close to 70K and it's gonna dump. Or everybody's been saying, oh, like some months ago when everyone was shouting, Bitcoin is gonna dump to 12K, 12K, and it's got to 30K and it rallied. So uh that's how basically the market works. Because this was the rally around 29K, yeah, 29K, right? So, and this one here as well, everyone was calling price to come back to 35K, then price get to 40K, right? So, check uh, let's check that out. Fear and okay, let's check that out. Fear and greed index. Let's check out greed index, right? So. Uh, Okay, while it's loading, let me just go back to the charts and downloading. Um, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? It's loading. So, okay. So right now you can see we are we're sitting at 34. So close to everyone's getting scared. What's happening? What's happening? Breaking down lows and people closing out their positions and the like. So personally, yeah, when I saw this move, okay, I sold off my Bitcoin. Everything. Yeah, and the reason being is this, all right? So we had this nice M pattern, and I talk about this M pattern a lot in my trades, my charts. You see, when you see a rally to the upside, you see a pullback, and you see there are two types of M pattern here, and this M pattern are just kind of pattern that signifies reversal in the market. So we're probably going to see option one here. You see price come a little below our highs, yeah, and like this and go down. Or option two is what is actually happening and what is really happening for Bitcoin right now. So, and I love this one a lot because this makes a lot of sense uh, and aligns perfectly with my kind of trading strategy because I trade in such a way that we look for liquidities and targeting retail stops because that's basically what institutions do. They target your stops and taking out the stops, then they push the price to the other side. So we took out this I right here. Everyone thought, oh, program structure, so let's buy. And triggered by stops, then sold it off. So basically, this is what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So nice and pattern. And because of this, yeah, this is one of many reasons why I'll be telling you that Bitcoin is coming down here. So because of this, now we see we kind of expect price to rally from 1560 where it is right now because we just saw an M pattern forming. Then definitely the M pattern is going to come down to a reasonable level, which I call personally discount levels, and we should see a rally from there. So that's that about the M pattern. So another thing I'll be talking about quickly is for the uh, harmonic guys. Yeah, I showed harmonics a lot back then, but not really anymore. But then I still definitely have the I still definitely know the old technicals about harmonics. So I foresee a rally from basically a rally here from a swing low to swing high. Yeah, that's our XA. Then our B is retracement. Then we see C breaking our A, right? So I have the C breaking A. Definitely, we have either a shark or a cipher pattern. So this one is a shark pattern. I won't be going to details why it's a shark pattern because I'm not teaching harmonics, but then this is a shark pattern. Definitely going to be a shark pattern forming, and we should see our D leg at 886. 886 is our D leg for the shark pattern. I'm not going to say 886 specifically, but I can get 885 right there, and you see that aligns perfectly with our 44K. So another reason, right? So harmonics check, M reversal pattern check. So what next? So okay, yeah. So for another thing is look at this now. Price is always price repeat itself. Yeah, sorry. Price repeats itself one again. You just need to know what price is doing. And right now, I think is what price is doing. So from this swing low right here to the swing high, yeah, for the Fibonacci as well, Fibonacci guys, for you. We can see price. We saw price snap off at 50, which is not really my kind of entry for feeds, but basically this was a confluence for my trade from down here earlier. So from this swing low right here to the swing high, then it makes a lot of sense to me. So let's see 79 discount level for the snipe. So that's a beautiful one, and that was one of the reasons why we called that way back then. So with what we can see right now from this swing low here to the swing high, you can see again the fall in between our discount. So I look at my discount from 71 up to 89. Yeah, 79, 71 up to 89 percent Fibonacci levels makes a lot of sense to me. So that is where I'm looking at to take my trade from. So uh so yeah, that's another confluence. That's another confluence. Everything is lining up basically, and check share and good index right here. Let's see if it's getting together. I think it's still gonna go down lower before we have that rally. So people are selling up that position already. And yeah. So that's that about that. What else? What else? What else? And okay, yeah. Another thing is, so people are gonna be trading off what's it called? Candlestick patterns, candlestick patterns basically, and they're looking at this Today is not closed yet anyway, but then they're looking at this probably going to be a bullish pin bar, and they probably expect price to rally from there. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Um, this just looks like what happened right here. So because it's a bullish pin bar doesn't mean oh price is going to rally here. Of course, it will be a bullish pin bar as much as it wants. Look at this now. Look at this. A nice bullish pin bar, and the price still came all the way down. So be a bullish pin bar as much as it wants. If price look at this weekend on that bullish pin bar from here, the price is gonna pick out pin bar. It doesn't matter if the pin bar or not. You need to understand the institutional levels. And yeah. Okay. So yeah. So I'll just quickly take this down to the 4 hour time frame to see the final what I'm saying. So yeah, this actually this one right here was very very nice because everything just aligns perfectly. I talked about this level right here. Uh, yeah, you can see our resistance setting up nicely right there, and we had this, should I call it even style rejection whatsoever. This is probably gonna give that sense to retail traders that oh, price is gonna go low, then probably to this resistance, then push it up. But then, if you understand my style of trading, spark money, you know that this is we don't trade stuff like this. We trade, we wait for liquidity sweeps, right? Sweeps and yeah, that's what we had price rally. And now, triggered buy stops. Yeah, people are going long. Oh, okay, we broke resistance. Let's go long and triggered buy stops. And so people are also going to take this as a retracement, retest of broken structure. Yeah, support. I mean, resistance got broken, becomes support. Then, right? You can see this nice, beautiful, big, engulfing, big, bullish candle, right? And everyone is going long. And I don't want to go too low, but then I just let's just stick to this time frame because if you take this low at, let me just quickly take it to low at time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Quickly, um, you see that this created more liquidity right here, and leave that take out again. So right here, right, you can see our liquidity created right there. So right there, so more liquidity got taken out, right? Resistance taken out and price drop. So we had a nice bearish move. So definitely let's take it back to fast and that would have been our entry for the short. Unfortunately, anyway, I didn't take the shots, but then I closed out my positions. So, right, 60, 68 was my initial TP anyway. So this was our institutional cartel candle, right? And the weak entry would have been the snipe for the short. Nice snipe all the way down. Yep, that's all about that. So you can see this is reason for my 2K and my 44K. You can see liquidity in nice direction, liquidity pool sitting in nice direction. When this rally happened, I remember back then I was expecting price to come fill up this, IPA, of course, IPA as well. Fill up this IPA, then continue the rally there. Price didn't fill up IP because I actually had a entry right there at 44K. So I've marked this level since just waiting. And price just rallied all the way up. So I was like, oh wow. Okay, let's enjoy the ride then. Um Now everything makes more sense because price is actually coming down a level. And I don't really see this morning star. I don't really see this morning star pushing price up. Yeah, I don't see that. So I think I've talked about everything I want to talk about. Yeah, okay. There's this final update right here. Yeah, I called this. I already November 16th. That's 3 days ago. Today is 19th, I guess. Friday. Yeah, and I already saw price most likely taken out this 58K because everyone was sitting at that 58K support level here. And price take out 58K, comes 52K, go up or 44K. So, but to be very honest, what I can see right now is something like this. Let me take this back to 1 4. So, I would most likely be seeing if price come down right here, probably see a retrace of our support. Then should see price go down right here to 44K, and we should see a rally from 44K up to our initial TP2, which is at 72K and beyond. Okay, so all this move, I think it should still happen before the year runs out. Yep, so November, December, all this move should actually happen. But then 44K, my best entry, and I was expecting price to come all the way down to 44K, and that would be a nice discount. Come on, nice discount for price to give next move to the upside. So that was about the major things. Yeah, then finally, yeah, okay, look at this now. Now I said price always repeats itself. What happened? This repeats itself basically. Look at this. What I was just talking about here. Look at the end pattern right here. So we have this high, we have a low. You see, I just probably gonna create this lower high, then go down, then it's actually I love it when it does this because this did the final shakeout, yeah, final shakeout and taking out until stop losses right there and price went down. And look at this, yeah, this guy right here, and this guy right there is our what's it called? Our institutional cartel candy that gave us the streets. I might move to the downside. So same thing actually is gonna happen here. I'm not seeing the future, but then maybe I am. I don't know, but then just just what I can see. Anyways, I might be wrong. I might be very very wrong. I don't know. But then it's just my own view, and that's it for me, guys. Bitcoin more than I guess. Yeah. So my name is Montana with Pit Cartel. If you find this interesting or find anything interesting in the video, kindly drop a like, share with friends, and if you have your counter opinions, you can drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be looking to reply. If you want to catch me on social media, I'll just follow THE_PIP PIPCARTEL. That's the Pip Cartel, D_Pip Cartel on socials, IG, Twitter. Yeah, every other details will be dropped in the description below, so you can just go through the description and yeah, you find me there. So until next time, I wish you guys happy trading and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Peace out.